Greetings everyone and welcome to the Kuttage Artisan Boutique. My name is Erica Simpson and I am one of the artisans at the boutique.
So they have a store here in Radisson which has different pieces of art and a lot of things that truly represents Trinidad and Tobago, and not just what you would see when you go to these souvenir stores, which might be say it for me.
We don't do a souvenir store, we have a boutique. We have a artisan boutique.
This is proper things. Alright, so tell the viewers a bit about your store and what your store has to offer. So for this compact space, I see jewelry, tie-dye, jams and jellies, teas, designer items, the crafts.
Okay, Prince, well, the Kuttage is an umbrella body for total local 100% craft. We have totally independent artisans that create, you name it, lots of products. As you rightfully said, we don't have trinkets in this store. We are the type of boutique that if you come here, you will see handcrafted. These are 100% original pieces. These mini paintings, they are all 100% local.
So most of these artisans and most of the work that we see in here is based on the surroundings of Trinidad and Tobago.
Exactly. This particular piece here, this is of the Pan Man.
Right.
This is actually a scene in Belmont.
Okay.
Yeah, this is actually, we have a larger version of it there.
Right.
Yes. These are what this is what we want to portray. We want to portray the art, the culture, who the Trinidadian and Tobagonian is. This is what we are about. For our ceramics are from garden leaves,
right,
and real coconut with.
Wow.
This is by Paula Cooper.
Right. So that is Tobago culture, right?
Yeah. Yes, it's the French Caribbean. It originally came with the French, but this is what all our artisans do in terms of dance.
Okay.
So this is our Creole dancing. So this is the ballet.
The ballet dance, that was originated from what?
French. The French. When the French came, that is a French dance.
Okay. And this one is done by Mr. Ken?
Yes, this is from Ken Copper Collection.
All right.
And he specializes, of course, in copper and brass. But if you look, you'll see the steel band motif, which is, right? So we have that on all variety of items. Here is our children line, and this is by Karima's Craft. So you have tie-dye, you have lovely prints. She does a lot of upcycling as well.
Okay.
Shirts for the young men as well. So you could get them tie-dyed in the tie-dye in all different sizes, or you can get them in the Ankara prints. Yeah.
So we call this African
print, yeah. So we're in time for emancipation. These are by Kieran K.
Kieran getting on. What is that?
Yeah, beautiful hoodies which you get with earrings to match.
Kieran.
Yeah, and right now you're getting these with face masks. These designs are from photosynthesis designs. So as you know, beaches are open. So we wear the beach as well as we go to the beach. All these are macrib, so this is a set.
Well, hot girl wrap up.
Yeah, you understand? This here is our mortar and pestle. For those of us who understand our culture, when we used to pong the plantain and the breadfruits and whatever, and this, yes, we have these in all sizes. Your smoking pipe. Now this is hand carved.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have that. Now, but let me introduce you to a bit of nostalgia, the long time home. So this piece here is a lovely piece that you can just look at and have it there as a decorative piece. But most of our products have function.
Right.
The purpose of this beautiful long time house is to save your money. It's a bank.
Okay.
So this is what we call the money house. This is, so you lock up.
Papa, you're looking swing door, Papa. Look.
Your back door.
Look.
Yeah. So this piece was handcrafted by Fine Attitude. That's the business We have our tote bags by Bags and Things, and our mask, ceramic mask by Ceramic Creations. Here we have a lounge outfit. This is by designer Juliet, and what you get, a nice little top, beads, a little sarong out of lace. Yeah. Juliet also creates these awesome jewelry pieces out of paper, and so this is her paper jewelry, her line of paper jewelry, and yes, you can get them wet. It's not an issue at all. Okay, so we have these beautiful leather sandals. They are by Hospi Leather, and these earrings as well, all handcrafted leather pieces. The jewelry line here, it's from Exquisite Islander, and of course here we have from our leather craftsman, which is Iguana Leather.
Iguana Leather.
And this is some of his recent pieces, and this is his men's line. This is leather that was woven. Trinidad and Tobago 1, 2, 3 and ABC, and this is not the normal A for apple, B for bat. A for Guti, Boko Reef. Alright, everything here. No, these for doubles. Okay?
Of course.
You understand what I mean?
You could be for.
Thank you.
Come on.
These for doubles. So you get the authentic local Trinidad. Everything here throws your mind to Trinidad and Tobago.
G for goat roti.
Well, you know that, right? These are our upcycled elephants, and this is what we have left, but it comes in a variety of colors, and each one carries a little heart at the back.
Oh.
Because they're all made with love.
Oh.
Yes.
Isn't that so?
And there's a story that goes along with the 100 elephants, that Karima wants to make 100 of these, and she wants to know where everyone goes. It's a part of a project she's doing.
That's really nice.
Yeah, so there's a story that goes around with the 100 elephants. We have Tizik designs. Now, Mukojombi earrings, and there's a whole story that goes around, another upcycler and creator. Again, so we have, here's your bath and body. So we have your cleansing face mask here, and your foot creams. All of these are created by our designers. Right? Handcrafted jewelry, and these are by TM Boutique. Right? A daughter of the soil. She lives in England now, but she's a daughter of the soil. All handcrafted. Crocheted earrings.
No, that's a first.
Yeah. We have crochet. This is what's on this, Prince.
Okay.
Crochet. These are award-winning teas, from Twigs.
Okay.
And of course here we have Mr. Arthur's Novelties. This beautiful is a whole salmon set.
Salmon is the type of wood?
Type of wood.
Okay.
And the knife and spoon fork is mahogany. Goblet fit for a king.
Whoa.
Fit for a king. So here again we have crochet. We have tie-dye and crochet. Your crochet swimwear.
Hot girl business.
Well, that's what we are about, of course. We don't do normal. All right, these are by Simply Escape. The photography is by Cindy Lou Valentine Photography. She does all of that. We want to highlight our books. We believe in reading and training. So we can't just close up without showcasing our books. Right? It's, our motto is let's read.
Right.
Where our books are concerned. So we have all Caribbean and local authors. And our tagline is, where living local is easy.